Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential yet often overlooked parts of window blinds, the valance clips. Specifically, we're looking at what many consider the best in the market, the 1-inch blind valance clips by Jetec. These valance clips are designed with simplicity and functionality in mind. They're made from durable plastic, ensuring longevity without compromising on style. Perfect for keeping your window blinds organized and looking sleek, these clips are truly a game-changer in home decor. Crafted from high-quality plastic, these clips are not only sturdy but also lightweight and easy to install. With their transparent design, they blend seamlessly into any decor, providing an elegant finish. No need for drilling. Simply snap them onto the track of your window blinds for a secure fit. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone looking to enhance the aesthetics of your living space, these valance clips offer incredible value. They're designed to hold your window blinds and valance together effortlessly, ensuring a tidy and polished look. These clips have garnered rave reviews for their ease of use and reliability. They've been praised for their ability to blend in discreetly while providing excellent support for window blinds. To sum it up, if you're looking for the best valance clips for your window blinds, look no further than the 1-inch blind valance clips by Jetec. They combine durability, ease of installation, and a stylish design, making them a must-have for any home improvement project. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, helping you make informed buying decisions. Happy decorating!